inward click roll K-snare. First step. Start with an inward K-snare. Second step. Execute a rumble, also called inward click roll. Third step. Keep it short and low. Step 4. Gradually merge the two sounds together. Bonus step. Trigger the inward K-snare first. This will naturally help to trigger the click roll. Beware that you can also start performing an inward click roll before the inward K-snare, but it makes it harder to trigger the sound correctly. Job done! It is time to get people dancing.
Yep.